Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope all of you doing great. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm doing it well. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to practice English alone. Yes, how to practice your English alone, where no one with you to practice your English. You can start just by yourself. Like, suppose I'm alone here at home and I would like to practice my English, but how can I start? Yes, just I have opened my camera and I can speak something. Like I can ask myself, that is, do you like winter season? Because this is winter season, so I can ask myself, do you like winter season? Then I have to answer. I have to reply myself. Okay, yes, I love winter season. I love winter season. But why? If I ask, why do you like winter season? And I can say that I like winter season because in this winter season I can wear this kind of jacket. Yes, nice jacket. And I love to wear this kind of nice jacket. That's why I like winter season. So you can practice your English like this way. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.